What's up guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to start affiliate marketing for free for beginners and make money up to $100 a day. Hey, my name is Praxar from the futurepassiveincome.com. In this channel I will show you the different ways to make money online with affiliate marketing. So if you are new to this channel then please consider subscribe. If you want to know my number one recommendation to build a full-time passive income business, then click the link in the description below. And if you stay until the end of this video, then I will show you my bonus method that can even make more money online. So now let's begin with the video. In this video, I will show you the 3 steps to start affiliate marketing for free. So step 1 is to select the affiliate network. I'm going to show you the different affiliate network. Here on the screen you can see clickbank.com. This is saveissue.com. This is CJ affiliate network. So these all are called as a affiliate network. So guys, you might be thinking that what is affiliate network? These are the sites where you can find the digital products which someone else has created, and you as an affiliate marketer start promoting their products. And if you are making a sale, then you will get a commission up to 50 to 70% or sometimes 90% also. So over here you don't have to create your own product, you just need to promote the other people product. So for that you need to sign up with one of the affiliate network. So let's start with the clickbank.com. Here it is a home page. You can do the sign up process if you don't have any account in a clickbank.com. I am having my own account, so I'm just directly logging into my account. So here you can see, click on the marketplace. There are so many categories are there. Step 2, pick up a product. So after doing the sign up process, select a specific niche. Here you can see so many categories are there. Among these category, you can select a specific niche. I would suggest the 3 niches. First is health, wealth, self-development or relationship is the best, because the method which I am going to show you that will give you more traffic in these 3 niches. So for this video, I am taking a health and fitness niche. So over here, select the product based upon the gravity. Sorry, based upon the gravity. You can see so many products are there. Flat belly tonic, custom keto diet, carbo fix, diabetes freedom, biofit, research. So many products are there. So for example, I am taking research product. So here, if you are clicking on this link, it will redirect to the sales page of research product. Here you can see. So now I am going to reveal the underground secret method. Go to YouTube and type research or research product review. Here you can see so many people have created the videos related to the research. So if I am clicking on any of this video,
You think that it is not easy to remove.
you can see in the description there is an affiliate link. If I am clicking on this link, it will redirect to the research sales page. So what it means, if someone buys through this link, it will give a commission who has created the video. Step 3 is to create a YouTube channel. Now I will show you how you can generate an affiliate link. As in a video, we have taken the research product. Click on the promote button. This is my account nickname. Generate a hop link. So this is your affiliate link as per your tracking ID. Copy this link and paste it in a YouTube channel. So guys, how you will produce a content in a YouTube. So every product has a affiliate page. So here you can see this is a affiliate page of research. Here you will get all the resources and information, banners, images which is related to the research, so that you can promote it on any kind of a social media. And there is also other way. You can go to Google and type research product review. You will see so many articles and blogs are there. So from these you can also create a good script and create a video and upload it on a YouTube. And if someone watches your video and buy a product, then you will get a commission. In this manner, you can promote it various softwares, courses, digital products, and you will get a commission. You can start earning with the affiliate marketing. And if you don't want to show your face while making the video, there are few softwares through which you can make a video very easily, like Vietnamese Doodly. I have put the link is in the description below. So I have told you at the beginning of the video that at the end of the video I will show you my bonus method that can make even more money online, which is simply at the first link in the description below. Just enter your detail and get an instant access of my bonus method that has changed my life, and it can change yours too. So guys, goodbye, be safe, and see you next time.